Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Ismail Hamis bin Muhammad Fazil. My matrix number is 0123F1088. Today I will talk about question 1, 2, and 3. Question 1, create the class name employee. Okay, we will look at the coding and we will create public class employee because public can access even from the outside of class. For the question 2, create a package named info. We have create the package named info at the above of the coding and the public class employee. For the question 3, the class should have the following private attribute. Why the question need private? Because private cannot access from the outside class. The private uh, can access from the inside class only. So we use scanner SC, new scanner for the input from the user, and we use string for the name. We use string to for the employee ID, string to department, and double for salary, because double has two-digit number, has a point at last. And we use string for the email. We use string for the phone number, because phone number has the dash in between the number. We use string for the address, because the address has slash and the number inside the address. We use string for the position and int for rating, because rating the number is single. And we use double for bonus and double for total salary. That's all for me. I will pass to my next friend.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Amir Hakim bin Sham. My matric number is 01DDT23F1114. And here I'll be talking about question 4 and 5. So the question 4 asks us to provide constructor to initialize these attributes. So go back to coding. So here we can see the constructor. The constructor name must be the same as the class name. So here we use public employee, and in this constructor we ask the user to input data to the variable that we have initialized before. So here we ask the user to input their name, the employee name, employee ID, department name, salary, email, phone number, address, job position, and rating. So next we go back to the question. Question 4 has been done. Next, I'll be talking about question 5. So this question asks us to implement method as below. First, we have to use the display employee info method that prints out the employee details, display all the detail in uppercase, use the appropriate method to change all string to uppercase. Next, the question also asks us to make another method called calculate bonus to calculate the annual bonus based on the employee performance rating and salary. And lastly, we also have to make a new method called display employee bonus to display employee name, department, position, salary, and bonus. So we go back to the coding. So here is the display employee info method. As the question asks us, they want the output to come out as all uppercase letter. So in order to do that, we use this string dot to uppercase, so that the output will come out as all uppercase later. We do that for all the attribute. Next, moving on to calculate bonus method. In this method, we use it to calculate annual bonus based on employee performance rating and salary. So if the employee rating better or greater or equal to 80 and rating less or equal to 100, the bonus the employee will get is 1000, and so on at 100 and 500. And we also need to calculate the bonus total salary, including the bonus. We use total salary equals to salary plus bonus. And lastly, the display employee bonus method. In this method, the output will include the bonus and the total salary of the employee. As we see above here, the total salary. This one is not the salary, not include the bonus, but in display employee bonus, we include the salary. We include the bonus into the salary. Okay, that's it from me. Next, I will pass to the next presenter.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Daniel Adin bin Muhammad Faiz and my matric numbers is 0123F1086. And my question is create a class name test employee, input class employee from package info, create an object of the employee class in the main method, initialize the object with data input, call the display employee info method to display the employee details, call the calculate bonus by sending a few parameters to calculate the bonus, call the display employees bonus to display the info. So we move to our coding. So this is our coding. The first one is package info. We use the same package as the employee Java employee. Next is we gonna import info employee because we want to use this class coding to import to this package. Next is we create another class which is public class test employee, then public static void main. Next we create obj because we want to use this method. We call this method to this class. So the first obj is obj.display employee info, which is we gonna call this method. And the next one is obj.calculate bonus. We will call this method. This one. And the last one is obj.display employee bonus, which is this. We want to call this method and bring the output to this PBSM under the PBSM. So the next one we will gonna review the output. So the input employee name Amirul, input employee ID is 123123, input department name is Awing, input salary RM 20,000, and input email is Amirul Hakim, input phone number is this one, and input address this one. Input job position is manager, input rating 56. So this is the output that we get from all of this. Okay, that's all from us. Thank you.